May I now request the Honourable Speaker of the National Assembly, Raja Parvez Ashraf, for his concluding remarks and his announcement of closing this seminar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Senator Sayyid Yusuf Raza Gilani Sahab, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Rumina Khurshid Alam, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister and Convener of SDGs Secretariat in the National Assembly, Shaza Fatima Khwaja, Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Youth, Honorable Senator Salim Mandviwala, distinguished parliamentary delegates from the Asia-Pacific region, Excellencies, Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and warmest greetings. It is a matter of great honor for myself and the National Assembly of Pakistan that the third IPU Regional Seminar for the Asia-Pacific region parliaments on achieving SDGs has been a resounding success with regards to wholehearted participation by all countries, delegates and excellencies. At the very onset, I wish to comment and thank all of you for supporting wholeheartedly Pakistan's National Assembly's endeavors to move an emergency resolution item at the forthcoming IPU General Assembly in Rwanda to highlight the plight of the flood-affected people of Pakistan and the consequences of climate degradation on vulnerable economies of developing countries. I am also happy to note that the IPU President has assured to support this resolution. While I also thank the Asia-Pacific Group for endorsing this move, I earnestly hope that we will all join hands to jointly make it our common cause and ensure its success in Kigali. I extend my heartiest gratitude to the President of the International Parliamentary Union, Mr. Dorothy Pachu, and the entire IPU staff for their continuous and close cooperation with the National Assembly of Pakistan. I wholeheartedly thank all the distinguished delegates and each member of the Parliament from all the participating Asia-Pacific region parliaments who traveled all the way to Islamabad from their home countries for making this seminar so interactive and meaningful. It indeed reflects their strong and uncompromising resolve to implement the SDGs global agenda as their own national plan towards making our respective societies as well as this planet at large more livable, prosperous, and safer place for future generations. I have been closely following the keynote addresses and the deliberations of the two-day seminar. I am really happy to see the high level of engagement, interest, and interactive participation of all worthy delegates with regard to key challenges of global climate change, poverty, hunger, and malnutrition, quality education, equitable health, and last but not the least, empowered women who can consolidate our national development plans with their dynamic contribution. You have rightly identified during your deliberations as well as the outcome document that global climate change has become a menace to our planet and our common future and coming generations. More frequent and intense drought, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans caused due to rising world temperature. As consequence of carbon emissions from industry and vehicles can directly harm animals, destroy the places they live, and wreak havoc on people's livelihood and communities. I hope you will incorporate proactive policy making and implementation of recommendation vis-à-vis global climate change as the top priority in your prospective national plans. I was heartened by the unwavering solidarity that all participating countries have expressed to myself and my colleagues in support of the resilient people of Pakistan standing tall in an exemplary and united effort to face the devastation caused by the recent floods. Ladies and gentlemen, parliamentarians have the constitutional role and responsibility to play an important role in supporting and overseeing the implementation of the Sustainable Development Goals. I will urge upon all the Asia-Pacific region's parliaments attending this seminar to proactively move with two initiatives on returning to their countries. In the end, I again congratulate the organizers for their excellent work and greatly thank the distinguished delegates for their noteworthy participation. I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan Zindabad. With this, I declare the third regional seminar on SDGs closed. Thank you.